What's up guys, I am Tech. Welcome to our territory. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus renders suggest a slightly bigger screen and much bigger camera bump. These renders come from the Twitter leakser on leaks with collaboration with the phone case maker Pacto. As with all renders based on a leak cat drawings, they should be taken with a pinch of salt, but the design they suggest for the Note 20 Plus seems reasonable enough. The most obvious feature is the big nearly edge-to-edge display with curved bezels, sloping sides and a small center hole punch cutout for the selfie camera that's near identical to the 2019 design. A punch hole selfie camera is located in the center of the display on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, so it seems those users hoping for an under-screen solution will have to wait longer for that to come. The rear-facing camera design appears to be very similar to that of a Galaxy S20 Ultra. If these renders are generally based on officially cat drawings, then it seems likely that it will be a tried and tested format when it comes to the design language, apart from switching the S Pen slot from one side to the other, that is. The top and bottom edge also look the same as that of Note 10 Plus with speaker grills, charging port and space for the signature S Pen. In terms of size, the Note 20 Plus will reportedly be slightly bigger than the 10 Plus with a 6.9-inch display instead of a last year's 6.8 inches AMOLED screen and slightly longer but thinner dimensions with the same overall width. According to Ice Universe, the Twitter leakser, the Galaxy Note 20 Plus just hit a major bump in the road. Ice Universe report that the phone has now received 3G certification in China, with the certification listing the official rated battery capacity is just 4370 mAh. This should translate to a typical capacity of 4000 mAh come release, which is barely bigger than the 4300 mAh typical capacity in the Note 10 Plus. Meanwhile, the Note 20 Plus has a large display, 120Hz refresh rate and 5G compared to the 5000 mAh battery in the Galaxy S20 Ultra. The Note 20 Plus is also a long way behind. In the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus, this module was a pretty slim oval containing 3 lenses, while the flash module was positioned to one side, flush with a case. In the 10 Plus, there are 2 additional diodes that supply the phone depth sensing capabilities, but the Note 20 renders show a larger, more rectangular module that apparently integrates all these component lenses and assorted gibbons into a single raised unit. This looks extremely similar to the camera system on this year's Galaxy S20 Ultra, which was very much designed to show off Samsung photography abilities. The S20 Ultra module contains 5 lenses, sporting up to 108 megapixel and 4x optical zoom that offers solid results up to 100x zoom with the help of software. There are a lot of say about that camera system. If the Note 20 and 20 Plus are anything like previous iteration in the series, they will contain the best, biggest and brightest of the Samsung smartphone specifications, so it is not unreasonable to expect some high-end camera hardware. We have not seen any leaked specification for the 2020 Notes, so we'll have to see what surface in the months to come. Samsung Galaxy S20 series is the first to support 5G connectivity out of the gate for every model. We had liked to see the Note series follow suit. We had said the likelihood of this, given the Note starter of the Samsung range of headset, is a pretty high. Let me know down in the comments below what's your thought about the Galaxy Samsung Note 20. Thank you for watching. See you next time.